Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're comparing PHANT AI image and video maker. We're comparing it to DAVINCi Resolve in 2025. So let's get started. Now let's just dive in straight right into it. When we look at their features, like the core strengths, PHANT AI has AI powered speed and simplicity. You can create and edit videos from text prompts in minutes. In fact, the AI does it all for you. Just text it in. While DaVinci Resolve, on the other hand, DaVinci Resolve is a professional power and precision tool. Yes, it's an all-in-one Hollywood grade editing, color grading, VFX, and audio post-production suite. That's right. Now let's look at the next feature, which is the target audience, or the target user in this case. PHANT AI image and video maker is for beginners, marketers, social media creators, small business owners, anyone who needs high quality video fast without a learning curve. While DaVinci Resolve on its own, let's see what's that. Yes, it is targeted. That is, the target users are professional editors, filmmakers, YouTubers, colorists, users who need total creative control and the highest quality output. Now let's look at the next feature. We're going to look at a lot of features today, but not that much. Next, we're going to look at the wow factor. What is the wow factor that PHANT AI has? Well, it creates a 60-second product ad from a single sentence. That's right. Its AI handles scripting, voiceover, stock footage selection, and editing automatically. So that is the wow factor for PHANT AI. Now, does DaVinci Resolve have a wow factor? And if it does, what is it? Well, the wow factor is that it's like having Hollywood in your laptop. That's right. The industry standard color grading and fair light audio tools are unmatched in the consumer space. So they both have great, astonishing wow factors. Now let's look at AI capabilities. You see, PHANT AI has the entire app is AI. Yes, it is the core engine for generation, editing, and effects. It is all AI. While DaVinci Resolve, let's see. Do you have any AI capability, DaVinci Resolve? Yes, it does. But it uses AI as a powerful assistant instead. It has features like magic mask, speech to text, noise remover, speed up, and things that help you to speed up complex professional tasks. So it's really great. Let's look at the next feature, which is learning curve. That of PHANT AI is practically non-existent because it is designed for instant results. If you can type, you can make a video using PHANT AI. Why I thought DaVinci is very, very steep, steep, because you have to master all the facets. The editing, the cutting, the fusion, the coloring, fair lighting. It takes months or years of practice. You gotta practice, but you get better and you be releasing Hollywood grade. So it's kind of good. Let's look at the pricing model. That of PHANT AI. Now, PHANT AI is a freemium model, practically cheap, with free tiers that has watermarks. But the subscription plan is for full HD 4K exports and premium assets. Let's look at the pricing for DaVinci. It has incredible value. You see, the full feature studio version is a one-time purchase. It also has a powerful free version, which is available with some limitations. So I think it's good too. They both seem to be, evenly matched. Let's look at what they're best for. PHANT AI is best for rapid content creation, social media videos, quick explainers, and turning blog posts into videos. Let's look at that of DaVinci. You see, DaVinci it's like a long form content. Yes, best for long form content like videos, documentaries, cinematic color grading, complex visual effects, and professional audio mixing. Let's look at the last feature for today, which is the car analogy. You see, PHANT AI is your Tesla Model 3. It is smart, automated gets you from A to B efficiently with minimal effort. While what kind of car is DaVinci Reserve? DaVinci Reserve is a fully customizable race car, unbeatable performance, but you still need the skill to drive it. So that's it. Now, like I said before, we make tech simple for your business and your life, and we have compared these two extremes, the PHANT AI and the DaVinci Resolve. Remember, we've taken you through all the benefits, so now you decide. I know you might be wondering, so who wins? Well, it depends on you. Which do you need and what do you need them for? If you need speed and simplicity, choose PHANT AI. If you demand total creative control and professional quality, then DaVinci Resolve is your winner. It's as simple as that. So let us know in the comment section if you are Team AI Magic or Team Pro Power. And what do you use to edit your videos? Let us know. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.